Ako po si Felix Marada, DTF operator ng Hongkit dito sa Robinsons na Balikes. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit na may 69 meters kaming nairan dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads, capping, head clean, punasan ang wiper after head clean, nozzle check. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Missing tank na linis every Friday. Ito ang use ink. Unused ink, film, powder. Ito naman po yung weekly consumable. Nakagamit tayo ng film, powder this week. Ito naman po yung inventory. Nagamit sa yellow, white ink, resin powder, sa film, cleaning solution. Ito naman po yung weekly maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.